Let's put it in our binder.
So we're gonna have to open it up and we'll open. Hey Princess Squad, it's Thi
And Pham.
and we are back with another back to school DIY school supplies for you guys as requested.
We definitely read all of your comments, so make sure you comment below to let us know what else you would like us to do.
And also follow us on our Instagram and TikTok at princesssquad.official for more fun content.
Okay, now let's get started. We're gonna jazz up this notebook with some supplies that we bought at Dollar Tree, some that we found around the house, or from any store you can find.
Let's grab your notebook, your hot glue gun, and let's get started. We got these cute scrap paper at Dollar Tree for just $1. So we decided that we're going to use some of these scrapbook papers, like this cute kitty one, and we are going to put it on top of the notebook.
All right, we got these cute papers out. Now, I'm just gonna use glue and glue it on. So, let's see. Make sure you have some scissors handy too, because you wanna cut it to the shape of the notebook. Let's go ahead and glue the back. All right, I'm all done. What do you guys think? Isn't it so much cuter?
But we're not done yet. We have washi tape, and you guys can find these at home, or you can use like maybe colorful duct tape, whatever you like. Move it out. And if you don't know what washi tapes are, they're just these cute little tapes that you can use to decorate or jazz things up. Okay, so we picked up this cute washi tape here, and we are just going to line this black lining with this cute tape here. So let's go ahead and put it on. So we put one layer here, but there's still some black showing. So Pham, you're gonna have to help me hold it here.
Okie dokie.
And we are going to put another layer of washi tape.
Dang, I think this tape looks really good. Okay, so let's move on to the next.
Yep, because we're not done. We have a bunch of pipe cleaners. We just found these around our house because we had them in our crafting box, but you can use like anything you want, like pom-poms or whatever you guys have.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
we are going to make different shapes with these. Like I'm gonna make like a heart, maybe a circle, I'm not sure yet. What are we gonna make?
Well, I'm thinking I'm gonna make like a rectangle with this. You know how a notebook always has a rectangle, you can write your name in there?
Oh yeah, that would be super cute. So let's do that.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna show you guys how to make some shapes.
Okay, first cut your pipe cleaner depending on your size of your heart. I'm gonna make like a pretty big one. So let's go ahead and connect it here, and then just do whatever shape you like. I'm gonna make the middle of my heart something like that. And then if you don't like the bottom, you can always cut that piece too.
We also decided to add some swirls on our notebook. Let me show you how to make that. Take your pipe cleaner and cut it to whatever size you want. I cut it like this size here. Take a pen or pencil as reference, and you're just gonna hold at one end and keep wrapping it. And then you'll have the perfect swirl. And then you can just put it somewhere on your notebook. I don't know, maybe right here. A bunch of hearts and swirlies, and we put it on our notebook, but we have not glued it yet because we were trying to figure out like where to put it. So now let's hot glue it on there.
All right, we're all done. Now let's write a name on our notebook.
Now, on to the next. If you have a boring pen like I do, we can jazz it up. Put your washi tape on and just start wrapping it. Okay, so we got the pen. Now let's add a little jazz to it by wrapping a pipe cleaner around it. And there we have it. My pen is super jazzed up and I'm ready to take some notes. Okay, now on to the next. School is super busy and you need to keep your life together and organized. So we have a bunch of Post-it notes or like Post-it notes that we got from Dollar Tree. You can use any shape and size that you want. Let us show you how to make something to put all of these in. You're going to need a piece of paper for outline and a marker or a pencil and a giant poster board.
All right, now we're just going to cut it out.
So this is the right size for this, and you can get some little cute scrapbook paper that you can buy from Dollar Tree or any craft store. But we have this one that we got from Hobby Lobby, and we're just going to use some glue stick and glue it on.
All right, we're all done adding the background. Now let's choose a washi tape for our liner on the side.
All done here, it's super cute, but in order to put this inside your binder or a folder, we have to hole punch it. Next is the super fun part. We get to organize our cute Post-its on this so that we can be organized. So we laid out the Post-its and now it's time to glue. But we don't think glue stick is gonna work because it's like heavy, the Post-its notes. So we're gonna use a dab of hot glue.
All right, we're all done. Now let's put it in our binder.
So we're gonna have to open it up. And we'll open this out and let's put it in there. And then close it. Now you can put like other paper in there, but this is an easy way to stay organized during school. But we're not done jazzing up our school supplies yet. If you guys have a blinger, which we do, let's bling our school supplies. Okay, Princess Squad, that's the end of today's back to school DIY school supplies. If you guys would like more of these type of video, make sure you leave a comment below to let us know that you want more. And also, we have a brand new channel called Pineapple Squad where we do fun challenges with each other and our cousins Sparkles and Sprinkle. Make sure you guys go and subscribe to that channel because we will be posting more videos on that.
Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and TikTok at princesssquad.official. And always remember to dream big,
have fun,
and be kind.
Bye!